spiking their blood sugar levels. Nutritionally speaking, chicken breast is incredibly healthy. In just a 100-gram serving, you'll get 165 calories, 31 grams of protein, and only 3.6 grams of fat. It also provides essential vitamins like B6, B12, and niacin, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy metabolism and nerve function. The great thing about chicken breast is that it has a glycemic index of 0, which means it won't cause any spikes in your blood glucose levels. That makes it a safe choice for diabetics who want to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. When it comes to cooking chicken breast, the options are endless. You can grill or bake it with your favorite spices and seasonings, and you'll have a delicious, healthy meal. You could also sauté it for a quick dinner. Just remember to skip the frying to keep it as healthy as possible. For a complete meal, serve it alongside some vegetables or a whole grain salad for added fiber and nutrients. In short, chicken breast is not only a great source of lean protein, but it's also a fantastic way to keep your blood sugar stable and enjoy a flavorful meal. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, it's a versatile and safe choice that anyone with diabetes can feel good about eating. 2. Turkey. Let's talk about turkey next, another excellent choice for diabetics. Turkey is an underrated gem when it comes to managing diabetes, and it's no wonder why so many people love it. Not only is it high in protein, but it's also low in fat, making it a great option for anyone trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Nutritionally, turkey is an absolute powerhouse. In just 100 grams, you get around 104 calories, 29 grams of protein, and only 1 gram of fat. It's also packed with essential vitamins like B6, B12, and selenium. These vitamins are important for supporting your immune system, keeping your metabolism running smoothly, and helping with energy levels. Plus, it's a lean meat, which makes it a safe choice for diabetics who want to avoid foods that could trigger blood sugar spikes. Just like chicken, turkey has a glycemic index of 0, meaning it won't cause any sudden changes in your blood glucose levels. This makes it a fantastic addition to your meals if you're managing diabetes and trying to keep your blood sugar levels in check. When it comes to cooking turkey, there are plenty of tasty ways to prepare it. One of my favorites is to season it with a little bit of lemon and a mix of spices for extra flavor. You can make turkey sandwiches or toss it into a salad with some veggies for a quick, healthy meal. The best part is that turkey is versatile. It works great as a main dish, or you can use leftovers to create delicious meals throughout the week. So, whether you're making a turkey sandwich, a hearty salad, or just roasting it up for dinner, turkey is a lean, nutritious, and blood sugar-friendly meat that diabetics can enjoy without fear. And with its low-fat content and high protein, you're not only supporting your blood sugar control, but you're also doing your body a favor with every bite. 3. Lean beef? Let's move on to lean beef. A meat that not only tastes great, but also provides important nutrients that are beneficial for managing diabetes. While many people may hesitate when it comes to eating red meat, lean beef is actually a great option for diabetics who are looking to maintain their blood sugar levels while still enjoying delicious meals. One of the biggest benefits of lean beef is its high iron and protein content. Iron plays a key role in producing energy and supporting healthy blood circulation, while protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and stabilizing blood sugar. So, if you're looking for a meal that fuels your body and helps keep your blood sugar steady, lean beef is definitely a good choice. Nutritionally, lean beef is packed with goodness. In just 100 grams, you'll get 250 calories, 26 grams of protein, and 15 grams of fat. It also provides 2.6 milligrams of iron, which is crucial for keeping your energy levels up and promoting healthy red blood cells. Despite having more fat compared to chicken or turkey, lean beef still contains a good balance of nutrients that won't spike your blood sugar. Another great thing about lean beef is that it has a glycemic index of 0, meaning it won't cause any sudden increases in your blood sugar levels. This makes it a safe and solid option for anyone with diabetes who wants to enjoy a hearty meal without worrying about fluctuations in their glucose levels. When it comes to cooking lean beef, it's best to choose cuts, like sirloin or tenderloin, which are leaner and contain less fat. Grilling or cooking the beef with minimal oil is the way to go to keep it as healthy as possible. For a perfect meal, pair the lean beef with some green beans or a refreshing quinoa salad to boost the fiber and add a variety of flavors to your plate. In short, lean beef offers a wealth of nutrients that are beneficial for diabetics. With its high protein content and iron to keep you energized, it's a fantastic meat to include in your diet. As long as you choose the right cuts and cook it with care, lean beef can be a great addition to any meal, helping you keep your blood sugar levels stable while still enjoying delicious food. 4. Lamb, lean cuts. Now let's talk about lamb, specifically lean cuts of lamb. While lamb might not always be the first meat that comes to mind for people with diabetes, lean cuts of this delicious meat can be an excellent addition to your diet, offering a great balance of protein and essential nutrients without too much fat. One of the standout benefits of lean lamb is its ability to provide high-quality protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, keeping your metabolism running smoothly, and helping stabilize blood sugar levels. Plus, it's full of nutrients like vitamin B12, which is crucial for energy production, and zinc, which supports immune function. If you're looking for a meat that helps provide a steady source of energy without putting your blood sugar at risk, lean lamb is a solid option. In terms of nutritional content, lean lamb is fairly similar to some of the other meats we've discussed. A 100-gram serving has about 250 calories, 25 grams of protein, and 16 grams of fat. While it does have a higher fat content compared to chicken or turkey, the fat in lean lamb is still manageable and won't cause significant blood sugar spikes. The good thing is that lamb has a glycemic index of 0, which means it won't affect your blood sugar levels at all, making it a great choice for anyone managing diabetes. When cooking lamb, it's important to select lean cuts, like the leg or the midsection, to keep the fat content in check. One of the best ways to prepare lamb is to marinate it with spices to bring out its rich flavor, then grill or roast it. Pairing lamb with some roasted vegetables makes for a healthy, satisfying meal that's both tasty and diabetes-friendly. In short, lean cuts of lamb can be a wonderful addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. It's packed with protein and essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and zinc, making it a great option to help stabilize blood sugar levels and support overall health. With the right cuts and proper preparation, lamb can be a flavorful and nutritious meat to enjoy without worry. 5. Fish. Fish, especially varieties like salmon, is one of the best foods for people with diabetes. And here's why. Not only is fish incredibly rich in high-quality protein, but it's also loaded with omega-3 unsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and essential for overall well-being. People with diabetes are often at a higher risk for heart disease, so eating foods that support heart health is crucial. Omega-3s, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, help reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and promote better circulation. This means that adding fish to your diet can help manage both blood sugar levels and cardiovascular health. When we look at the nutritional profile of salmon, it's clear that it offers several benefits. A 100-gram serving of salmon contains around 206 calories, 22 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fat. The best part? It contains about 2.3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower triglycerides and improve heart health. Additionally, like other fish, salmon has a glycemic index of 0, meaning it has no impact on blood sugar levels, making it a perfect option for anyone looking to stabilize their glucose levels. As for how to cook it, salmon is extremely versatile and easy to prepare. You can grill or bake it with a simple squeeze of lemon and your favorite spices to enhance its natural flavors. Pair it with a side of steamed vegetables or a wholesome whole-grain pilaf, and you've got yourself a delicious, well-rounded meal that's not only good for your blood sugar but also for your heart. In short, fish, particularly salmon, is a fantastic choice for anyone managing diabetes. It provides a rich source of protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fats while keeping your blood sugar in check. Whether you grill, bake, or pan-sear it, fish can easily be incorporated into your diet and offers a tasty and nutritious way to support your overall health. 6. Goat meat. Goat meat is an excellent choice for people with diabetes looking for a healthy and flavorful protein source. Not only is it lean and packed with high-quality protein, but it also offers a rich nutrient profile that supports overall health. Goat meat is lower in fat compared to other meats like beef and lamb, which is beneficial for managing blood sugar levels and promoting heart health. Plus, it's loaded with essential nutrients such as iron, which plays a crucial role in oxygen transport and energy production in the body. In terms of nutritional facts, goat meat is relatively low in calories, with just 143 calories per 100 gram serving. It provides a solid 27 grams of protein, which is great for muscle maintenance and repair. Goat meat is also very low in fat, with only 3 grams per 100 grams, making it a perfect option for those seeking to lower their fat intake. Additionally, goat meat contains about 3.3 milligrams of iron, which is vital for those with diabetes who need to maintain healthy blood circulation. Best of all, it has a glycemic index of 0, meaning it won't raise your blood sugar levels, making it safe for those managing diabetes. When it comes to cooking goat meat, it's versatile and can be prepared in many delicious ways. One of the best methods is to slow cook it in a stew with an array of vegetables and flavorful herbs and spices. This cooking method helps to tenderize the meat and lock in all the delicious flavors, while also keeping it healthy. Just be sure to avoid adding excessive amounts of oil or butter, as this can increase the fat content and reduce its health benefits. You can serve it with a side of steamed vegetables, brown rice, or a quinoa salad for a well-balanced meal that will satisfy both your taste buds and your nutritional needs. In conclusion, goat meat is an excellent option for diabetics looking to lower their blood sugar and maintain a balanced diet. With its high protein content, low fat, and beneficial nutrients, it makes for a delicious and healthy alternative to other meats. By cooking it in a healthy way, you can enjoy a tasty and satisfying meal without worrying about your blood sugar levels. So next time you're planning your meals, consider adding goat meat to your menu for a nutritious and diabetes-friendly option. 7. Camel meat. Camel meat is an excellent choice for diabetics who want to enjoy a lean and nutritious source of protein while managing their blood sugar levels. One of the standout benefits of camel meat is that it is low in cholesterol, making it heart healthy. It is also lean, meaning it has less fat compared to other meats, which is important when managing a condition like diabetes. Camel meat is also rich in protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and promoting overall body function. Additionally, it's loaded with iron, an essential mineral that helps with energy levels and the proper functioning of the immune system. When it comes to nutritional facts, camel meat is relatively low in calories, with just 143 calories per 100 grams. This makes it a great option for those who are looking to keep their calorie intake in check while still enjoying a hearty, satisfying meal. Camel meat also offers 20 grams of protein per 100 gram serving, which helps to build and repair muscles. It contains 5 grams of fat, which is moderate, but still far lower than many other meats like beef or pork. Another great thing about camel meat is that it contains 6.7 milligrams of iron, which is excellent for preventing iron deficiency and supporting healthy blood circulation. Moreover, camel meat has a glycemic index of 0, which means it won't cause any spikes in blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for anyone managing diabetes. As for cooking camel meat, there are many ways to prepare it to suit your taste. One of the best methods is to grill or roast it with a blend of your favorite spices. This not only enhances the flavor of the meat, but also keeps it healthy without needing excess oil or fat. Camel meat pairs wonderfully with a side of fresh salad, which provides fiber and essential vitamins. You can also enjoy it with whole grain bread for an extra boost of healthy carbohydrates. The key is to keep the cooking process simple and use natural ingredients that complement the lean quality of the meat. In conclusion, camel meat is a unique and healthy option for diabetics who want to maintain control over their blood sugar levels while enjoying a tasty and nutritious meal. Its low-fat, high-protein content and minimal impact on blood sugar levels make it a great addition to any diabetic-friendly diet. So if you're looking for a new, healthy meat to try, camel meat might just be the perfect option for you. When it comes to managing diabetes, picking the right meat is key to enjoying your meals without worry. By making thoughtful choices and preparing your food in a healthy way, you can celebrate with loved ones without compromising your health. This festive season, you don't have to sacrifice flavor or joy. There are plenty of delicious, diabetic-friendly options that will keep your blood sugar in check while supporting your overall well-being. Remember, making mindful choices doesn't just benefit you, it can inspire those around you too. So, why not share your favorite healthy recipes and tips for creating a diabetic-friendly celebration? Let's come together to make this holiday season both joyful and health-conscious. If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty, diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. Because your health truly deserves the best attention. Be sure to check out more helpful videos on our channel to keep learning and supporting your diabetes management journey. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.